Hello traders, this is Trading Ed. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to introduce a new strategy for swing trading. Before jumping into the video, please like the video. If you like it, subscribe to the channel to make sure you're not going to lose the videos and the strategy we're going to post in the coming days and weeks. And comment below the video and share your idea with us. And it's good to mention this is just educational video, it's not a financial advice. Before using any strategy you can see on the YouTube, as I mentioned before in all of my videos, please practice this strategy on your asset, the asset you're trading and the time frame you're trading usually. So for this strategy, I'm gonna go to the indicators. I'm gonna be fast for this strategy. I'm not gonna make a long video. I'm gonna type TDH, trend direction helper, and for the second one I'm gonna use linear regression, and just those two. I'm gonna go to Lin Reg and put it 200, and I'm gonna go to TDH and I'm gonna put instead of 50 to 30. So for this strategy you need to check 3 different time frames: 4 hours time frame, 1 hour time frame, and 30 minutes time frame. First is 4 hours time frame. Okay, the linear regression shows you the direction of the trend. In 4 hours time frame, you can see the channel. You can see it's not a channel. You're not allowed to use the channel for trading. It shows it's a downtrend or uptrend. For 4 hours time frame shows it's a downtrend, 1 hour time frame downtrend, and your trading time frame, which is the 30-minute time frame, downtrend. So you are allowed to just take short positions. For the short position, you're waiting for price to hit the top of your channel, as you can see, and one of those lines, dot lines, that it comes from the linear regression. So this is a trading, this is a supply zone, and once your the price moves toward the supply zone, you can buy. You're buying here. Your stop loss would be this is just a short position. The stop loss would be the top line, and the take profit level would be the next line, which is this one. This is TP1. This is TP2. It's not fixed. It's gonna be updated. These lines based on the price movement, and this is the whole strategy. And I'm gonna cut the video here. You can just practice this video, this strategy in your asset, and share your idea on the comment below this video. And yes, thank you for watching this video. See you for the next video. Have a great day.